Cut the nozzle at an angle aligned to your desired bead width and pierce the inner seal with the caulking gun rod for a clean, controlled bead. Start by choosing the correct tip size and angle for the job, because that determines how much caulk will extrude and how easy it is to control in a bath seam. For most bathtub seams, aim for a bead width of about 1/8 to 3/16 of an inch and cut the nozzle at a 30 to 45 degree angle, so the opening follows the joint profile. Use a utility knife with a steady hand and make a single decisive cut rather than multiple snips to avoid a ragged edge. After cutting, insert the tube into the gun and use the rod or puncture tool to pierce the inner foil seal fully so flow starts immediately when you squeeze. Test the bead on scrap material or paper towel to confirm width and flow before working on the tub area, because adjustments after starting the real run are harder and messy. Keep a damp rag and a smoothing tool or a finger dipped in a mild soapy water solution, ready to tool the bead within a few minutes of application to shape it and force adhesion into the joint. People often cut the tip too large, which causes excess caulk and cleanup hassles, so if the bead is too fat, recut a new nozzle and start again with a smaller opening. Another common issue is failing to pierce the inner seal completely, which produces sputtering and air pockets. Pull the rod all the way through or use a long nail to make a full puncture. A third concern is cutting the nozzle straight across instead of at an angle, which makes it hard to follow the joint and creates uneven pressure. Always cut on a slant matched to the bead width and keep your wrist steady to maintain an even pace. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to provide a forum where people can discuss techniques like caulk tip sizing, troubleshooting, and product choices. We help contractors find work while our discussion community lets homeowners and pros exchange practical advice and learn what works on real projects.